You only brought one?
No, the other one.
Oh, I didn't see.
Are you ready? Are you ready? Careful, it's open.
Open.
Open. Go on. Go ahead. Let's go see what Santa brought.
Big step.
Big step.
What did Santa bring you? Oh my goodness.
She actually put her hand over her mouth and she's like, oh. She still got it up there.
I'm gonna cry. That is so cute.
That's Brookie's.
Oh, wow. Gizmo, come on. You've seen her before.
Where are you going?
No.
Oh, you gotta put your slipper down.
Get off the doors.
Gizmo out.
Wow. What is that?
Can you?
Yeah. What was that one?
There we go. What's that, Brookie? Brooke, it's from Santa.
Did Santa bring you a present? That means you were a good girl this year. Do we all agree? I guess Santa knows better, huh? Wow.
Okay, come on, let's turn it.
Puppy.
Oh, it comes with its own puppy? No way.
There we go.
Oh, there's a big puppy right there.
Puppy.
Zoe, out.
Get out. How do I turn the sound off?
Echo.
Of what?
Stupid.
Oh, I don't know. Gizmo, out. Whoa. Is that the puppy's home?
Do you love your dollhouse? Gizmo. She smells the same. It looks like Santa forgot some bedrooms.
Hey, Brooke, do you want to open a present? Can you get that bag?
You want to open the present for
Brooke,
Aunt
can you open
Diana
that bag, please?
and Uncle Doug?
Brooke, do you want to open?
Open? Brookie, come here.
Present. Can you open the present?
You want to open one present? I think she got her fill last night when she stopped after 2. Did you take any video last night of her?
Yeah.
No, presents. Or you couldn't see everything.
I couldn't see. I wanted to move the ottoman, but I didn't want to ask.
Oh, baby.
Hey, honey. Honey, look. Do you want to open?
Open, please.
Open.
Open.
This is something easy for her to open. Good idea.
Yeah. Open.
Gizmo, seriously.
What's
What
that?
is that? Tissue paper, yay! Honey.
More.
There's more, but you don't even know what the first one was.
More.
Oh, back to the dollhouse. Santa's amazing, isn't he?
Brooke, can you open? Open.
You don't want to see what Aunt Diana and Uncle Dad got you?
More.
Yes. But there's also more presents in the bag.
Hey, Brooke, can you open? Open, please. Brooke.